Hello everyone, in this video we will solve a JEE Mains previous year question based on these matrices. Let us carefully understand the problem and learn how to approach this type of question. This question was asked in January 2026 session. Let's get started. Let us first carefully observe the problem. In question it is given that P and Q are the two matrices of order 3 and Qij, that is each component of this Q matrix is equal to 2 power I plus j minus 1 and determinant of Q is equal to 2 power 10. Then asked what is the value of determinant of adjoint of P. So first write Qij is equal to 2 power I plus j minus 1 Pij. That type of questions, first we write the matrix Q. So Q is 3 by 3 matrix. So Q1 1, that is 2 power 1 plus 1 minus 1 P11 Q12. So 2 power 1 plus 2 minus 1 P12. Ith value is 1 and jth value is 2. Next is Q13, that is 2 power 1 plus 3 minus 1 P13. Next Q21, 2 power 2 plus 1 minus 1 P21. Next 2 power 2 plus 2 minus 1 P22, that is 2 plus 3 minus 1 P23. That one is 2 power 3 plus 1 minus 1 P31, that is 2 power 3 plus 2 minus 1 P32, that is 2 power 3 plus 3 minus 1 P33. So this is the Q matrix. Now we simplify it. So matrix Q is equal to, we get 2 P11 2 square P12 2Q P13. If you calculate each term of this matrix Q, then we get this matrix. Second row is 2 square P21 2Q P22 2 to the power 4 P23 2Q P31 2 power 4 P2, that is 32, so 2 power 5 P33. So in question given that determinant of Q is equal to 2 power 10, so we use this. So we have the matrix Q. So determinant of Q, that is equal to that matrix represented by the determinant sign. So 2 P11 2 square P12 2Q P13. So 2 square P21 P22 2 power 4 P23 2Q P31 2 power 4 P32 2 power 5 P33. If you observe the matrix each column, so first column is 2 is common each terms. So we common 2 from the column 1 and column 2, the 2 square is common every elements, and each third column 2Q is common every element. So first column we common 2, second column is common 2 square, third column we common 2Q. Therefore the determinant of Q matrix is equal to first 2 square and 2Q we common it out, then remaining is P11 P12 P13, and that is 2P21 2P22 2P23, that is 2 square P31 2 square P32 2 square P33. Now observe the each row of this determinant. So in the second row 2 is everywhere and third row 2 square is everywhere. So we common 2 from the row 2 and we common 2 square from row 3. So 2 power 3 plus 2 plus 1, that is 6. Now we common 2 from the row 2 and we common 2 square from row 3. Now P11 P12 P13, that is P21 P22 P23. That third row is P31 P32 P33. Therefore we got determinant of q is equal to 2 power 9. If we calculate this term, 2 power 6 plus 1 plus 2, that is 2 power 9 into, that is determinant of P matrix. So in question given that determinant of q is equal to 2 power 10, so we put the value of determinant of q. So 2 power 10 is equal to 2 power 9 into determinant of p. This imply determinant of p is equal to 2. Now we got the determinant value of p is equal to 2. In question asked what is the value of this expression, determinant of adjoint of p. Now we find this value. So determinant of adjoint of p is equal to, first we write as a note, we write as a formula, determinant of adjoint of any matrix A. Suppose A is square matrix n cross n. This is equal to determinant of A power n minus 1 power 2, because here 2 times adjoint are involved, so that's why this is 2. This formula is come from this formula. Suppose determinant of adjoint of A, that is equal to, we know, determinant of A power n minus 1. This formula is repeatedly used here. Then we got determinant of adjoint A is equal to determinant of A power n minus 1 power 2. So we use this formula 1 here. So that is equal to determinant of P power n minus 1. Here P is 3 cross 3 matrix, so n is equal to 3. So that's why 3 minus 1 power 2, because 2 times adjoint are involved here. So therefore that is equal to determinant of P power 2 power 2. So that is equal to determinant of P power. Previously we got the determinant of P is equal to 2. So now we put the value here. So that is equal to determinant of adjoint P is equal to determinant of P power 4. That is equal to 2 power 4. That is equal to 16. Now we see the option of this question. We see the second option is the correct option. Therefore, overall the question we are just doing using this formula, given that Qij is equal to 2 power I plus j minus 1 Pij. From here we find the matrix Q and also use this value, determinant of Q is equal to 2 power 10. Using this we got the value of this determinant of P is equal to 2. After that we use one important formula, that is determinant of adjoint of any matrix, suppose A, that is equal to determinant of A power n minus 1 power 2, because A is n cross n matrix, this n come from this index. So using this formula we got the value of our expression determinant of adjoint P, that is equal to 16. So